Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul video. Yeah, it has been a long time that मैंने कोई haul videos नहीं डाला था. So yeah, I came back with another haul video and recently I have picked up some stuffs from H&M website for the very first time. So आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करने वाली हूँ my experience कि कैसा रहा मेरा experience H&M website से खरीदी करने की, and then I have some stuffs from Amazon as well. So yeah, and I have some sportswears, nice sportswears at reasonable price. So yeah, keep watching till the end, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, firstly I'll show you the sportswears. So here is the first one. तो ये जो शॉर्ट्स है, मुझे काफ़ी दिनों से इस तरह की शॉर्ट्स की ज़रूरत थी. तो I found this one on Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere, but got a nice discount on Flipkart. So yeah, and it's a nice one guys at such a reasonable price. And इसका जो आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो white waistband है, it's very helpful when you are doing workouts and all. So yeah, and the fabric is very stretchable, like you can stretch it crazily. So yeah, and इसे पहनने के बाद आपको एक proper shape मिलती है and you become more confident. So yeah, I'm very much liking this one. So you can surely check this out if you are looking for sports shorts. तो यहाँ पे sports shorts की availability थोड़ी कम है, I think, and जो भी है those are highly overly priced. So yeah, so this brand is C9. And this thing is just amazing, so you can check this out, and its actual price is 549, but surely you will get some nice discount. So yeah, I will give the link in my description so you can go and check it out. So this was the first one, and then I have two sports bras. So here is the first one. These are the same things in just different colors. So और same brand से है, C9 से ही है. So the colors are so bright and beautiful, and to be very honest, मैं हमेशा renowned brands like Reebok, Adidas, Puma, इस तरह की brands prefer करती हूँ in sports wears, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स शूज हो, लेगिंग्स हो, एंड ब्रास, एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव ट्राइड सम डिफरेंट ब्रांड इन कम रेट पे, जिसे कहते हैं. सो या, बट गाइज, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, दीज आर सो कंफर्टेबल. या लाइक ऑलमोस्ट ये तो मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है बिकॉज मुझे ये दिखाना था विथ टैग्स आप लोगों को. But this one, I'm using this one like almost on a regular basis. Like, so yeah. सबसे बड़ी बात, इस प्राइस पे आपको with adjustable removable cups मिलता है इसके साथ, which is very nice, I must say. And the fabric is very soft. You will totally love this one. And इसका जो hold है and the design, everything is very good at this price. So yeah, तो कुछ ऐसा दिखता है ये. And racer back is cool one. Everything is just same and with removable cups, and the fabric is very soft and nice. इसका प्राइस मैं आपको यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट पे दे दूंगी, एंड इट्स एक्चुअल प्राइस इज 749. 749 इज अ हाईली रिजनेबल प्राइस फॉर स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा. यू नो, इफ यू, अगर आप हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स वेयर्स खरीदते रहते हो तो दीज आर सो एक्सपेंसिव, but this thing is just amazing at this reasonable price. So you can surely check this out. You will totally love this thing. I will drop the link in my description. Go and check this out. And the next one is these tights. Firstly, let me tell you, this one is right now out of stock, and I'm sorry for that, but I will link down all the similar products, so you can surely check this out. And ये H&M से है, and I got this thing from Myntra. And guys, this thing is awesome, you know. इसका जो बैंड है white band, and इसका जो support है, stretchability and ankle length, everything is just awesome in this leggings. H&M is a super brand. It comes with comfort. I'm just loving this one. मैं हर रोज वर्कआउट करती हूँ, so I keep on searching for good active wears, sports wears. This one is only 1499, and I got discount on this one. So yeah, this is a gem, guys. I'll link down all the similar products in the description. So this was all about my sportswears, and now I'll show you lifestyle wears. So in this box I got all the H&M products which I bought from H&M website. So they are looking pretty, and actually I don't buy a lot of this kind of shoes because I always wear those sports shoes, and those are so comfortable, but this is nice, guys. And सबसे बड़ी बात, इसका जो रियल प्राइस है that is 2299, but ये मुझे 70% डिस्काउंट पे मिला था, so it became so cheap and reasonable, so I bought this thing. And इसका जो डिज़ाइन है वो मुझे अच्छा लगा, प्यारा लगा. This kind of stones which is looking pretty, and the color combination is really good, and this platform heel is looking sweet. So overall it's a decent product, and I got this thing at a low price. Not reasonable, it's a low price. So yeah, and so then let me show you here we come. And this is a crop top, a sweet cute crop top, and ये जो है अभी पूरा खुला हुआ है, and इसे आप साइड से ऐसे जिप है यहाँ पे, कुछ इस तरह से आप इसे एडजस्ट कर सकते हो साइड से. And let me do it first. So it looks like this, and it's really pretty. And इसका जो मटेरियल है वो प्योर कॉटन है, and not sheer. It's quite comfortable, and आप इसे बहुत आराम से पहन सकते हो अपने हाई वेस्टेड मॉम जीन्स एंड बूट कट जीन्स, इन सभी के साथ ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगने वाला है. एंड इसका जो साइज है दैट इज एस, ऑब्वियसली दैट इज माई साइज, एंड इट्स एक्चुअल प्राइस इज 1299, एंड आई विल गिव द स्क्रीनशॉट हियर. मुझे जो भी डिस्काउंट मिला है. एंड दिस वन इज फ्रॉम H&M वर्सेस Lemlem edition, if you have heard about it. And yeah, it's a pretty one, guys. Then I have two beautiful dresses which looks beautiful, guys. And just look at the print, and these are made for beaches and vacations, you know. So pretty. And सबसे बड़ी बात, इसका जो outer part है that is made of linen, and the inner part is made of 100% cotton, so it's just absolutely comfortable, and the style is so amazing. It's so flowy and yeah, it's so comfortable, you know. I'm going to show you, and you will get these adjustable straps here. The straps are really thin, so if you're uncomfortable you can add a shrug or short denim jacket with it. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys, and it's really pretty. So its actual price is 2,999, but I got discount, and I'll share everything in my description, also in the screenshot. You can check it out. So yeah, and then I have another dress. The everything is same, just in different shades, and how pretty they are, guys. Everything is same, that adjustable straps, and here you will get these elastic bands here. So it's an ankle length one, and it comes to my ankle, and I'm a shorty, so no worries, don't worry. So it will be perfectly okay, and the print is so beautiful. It's in like off-white beige color, and the prints are in lavender, and these little prints are looking so pretty. And इसका जो outer layer है, that is made from linen, and the जो full length आपको lining मिलती है, that is made from 100% cotton, so it's very comfortable. And again, it's a Lemlem collection, and its actual price is 2,999, and I'll share everything in the description. Also, you can check it out in the screenshot. So ये जो है, ये एक jeggings है, and कुछ ऐसा दिखता है ये, and इसका जो मटेरियल है ना, just look at it, it's so soft, बहुत ही soft है, it's like, and इसका जो डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है यहाँ पे, it's looking attractive. So, and my size is S28, and it fits me just well. So it's a nice one, guys, and I think you will get this one on Myntra as well, and its actual price is 1,499, and I think you will get some discount also. And here is another one, and I love this kind of check trousers and shorts. I have another one in red and black, and I'm loving this one too. So ये भी ankle length है, so length की कोई issues नहीं है, and इसका जो stretchability है, that is kind of बहुत ज़्यादा stretchable नहीं है, and stretchable है ये पहन के जो मज़ा आने वाला है ना. And this is again 28 in size small, and इसमें आपको 2 back pockets मिलता है. You will get this 2 back pockets, और इस पे आपको कोई भी pockets नहीं मिलता है. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So it's a pretty one, good, and its actual price is 1,299. And this kind of trousers you can pair with any white or red shirts or t-shirts, look really pretty. So this was all about H&M. So next I have 2 cute things. सो ये जो दो बॉक्सेस है इन दोनों में शॉर्ट्स आए हैं and the brand is called the Bear House. You will find on Myntra. And these shorts are too cute, guys. So these are from the men's section and it's in size S and इसका जो material है ना, that is too much comfortable. Like you can understand how soft and pretty is this. And these prints are so beautiful and you will get a huge collection of Bear House on Myntra and I quite like these prints, you know, they're so pretty and you will get this soft band at the waist. And the material is superb, guys. You will just love it. For everyday use, go and check this out. And have another pair. But एक मैंने use कर लिया. So I'll give it the screenshot here. And ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. So it's quite cool, right? Yeah, I love this kind of shorts for everyday use and I totally love this thing. And they come with these boxes which are really amazing. मुझे तो इस चीज़ से ज़्यादा ये पसंद आ गया. So boxes are really good, guys. They have their brandings over there like this. And have another shorts, but I bought this one from Amazon and it's from the brand Manish Arora River. And ये भी मैंने एक पेयर ही खरीदा था, but as usual मैंने एक यूज़ कर लिया. And so मैं घर पे टी शर्ट के साथ ये सभी पहनती हूँ. सो मुझे इन सब चीज़ों की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है एंड आई एम रियली लविंग दिस थिंग्स, गाइज. जितने भी सारे बॉक्सेस मैंने खरीदे हैं वो सभी के सभी बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. यू कैन श्योरली चेक दिस आउट. आई विल श्योरली रिकमेंड दिस थिंग्स एंड इन सभी चीज़ों का लिंक मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. सो जस्ट गो एंड चेक दिस आउट. एंड Amazon से ये टी शर्ट भी खरीदी है. And it's also from the men's section and it's by the same brand Manish Arora River. And इस ब्रांड पे मैंने नोटिस किया है बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट थ्रू आउट द ईयर यू कैन गेट. एक अच्छा डिस्काउंट यू विल गेट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. सो go and check out the brand River by Manish Arora on Amazon, right? हमेशा मैं देखती रहती हूँ इस ब्रांड पर मिनिमम 60% डिस्काउंट आपको मिलेगा ही. सो बट मैंने इसे मे बी 70 और 80% डिस्काउंट पे खरीदा था एंड या इट लुक्स प्रिटी, राइट? तो इसका ऊपर का जो ये है वो इस तरह की नेट से बना हुआ है and at the inside you will get this cotton material which is just amazing. No issues. You can surely check this out. Very comfortable and looking bright and nice. So I love this kind of क्या कहते हैं इसे, जो भी कहते हैं, I like these things. चलो तो सो दैट वॉज ऑल फॉर टुडे गाइज. आई थिंक मैंने आपको सब कुछ दिखा दिया एंड मैंने थोड़े थोड़े करके जमा किया था तो एक ही हॉल में दिखाने के लिए. सो काफ़ी सारे चीज़ आज मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया एंड आई विल प्रोवाइड ऑल द लिंक्स इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो जस्ट गो एंड चेक दिस आउट एंड कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अगर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है तो मैं चेकआउट करूँगी एंड उसके सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट के लिंक्स भी मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस. So yeah, and leave your comments if you have liked this video. And and और एक बात, कुछ दिन बाद मैं एक कुर्ती हॉल भी करने वाली हूँ because the festive season is coming on. So yeah, I have ordered some beautiful kurtis from the renowned brands at a huge discount. So keep in touch with me and love you all. Take care. Bye bye guys.